Welcome to Regent Secondary School. The general office is the spine of our school, where you meet our friendly administrative staff members. Walk with me to our study corner just outside the general office. These walls lead to our canteen. This green staircase leads to the hall.
We are currently standing at the heart of our school, the Parade Square. This is where our school community gathers for important ceremonies and celebrations, such as National Day and Total Defense Day.
Right in front of you, you'll see our school vision. Regentites as self-directed learners and transformational leaders who are in pursuit of excellence. From the Parade Square, you also get a good view of food labs and special classroom.
Do you know what it means to be a transformational leader?
A transformational leader is someone who takes the initiative to make a positive impact in the community, guided by their strength and passion. At Regent, we nurture this through both our academic and non-academic programs, particularly our flagship Community Youth Leadership Program, CYL in short. We believe that every student is a leader. Through CYL, students develop character, leadership skills, and a spirit of volunteerism. These values are further deepened through community partnerships and overseas learning experiences, which broaden students' perspectives and enhance their awareness of the challenges faced by the less fortunate communities.
Another flagship program is the Values in Action program, VIA in short, which gives students opportunities to serve the community and nation. For example, our Secondary 1 students organized the Environment Champions exhibition to raise awareness of global environmental challenges and inspire Regentites to take action for a greener planet.
Our Secondary 2 students planned the Regent Community Carnival, inviting seniors from the Limbang community for an afternoon of fun, games, and laughter.
Our Secondary 3 students participated in leadership training by reaching out to elderly residents and community partners, showing care and concern for others in our society.
Indeed, at Regent, every student has the opportunity to grow as a leader, developing confidence, empathy, and purpose.
Your Regent journey begins with our exciting Secondary 1 orientation program, one of the most memorable experiences for every student. This week-long program is filled with fun and engaging activities to help you settle into the new school environment, get to know your classmates and teachers, and explore the various co-curricular activities, CCAs, we offer.
From mass games to school cheers, and even an amazing race, the orientation culminates in an unforgettable campfire, a perfect start to your Regent journey. Our friendly student counselors, your orientation class leaders, will be there to guide and welcome you. We make sure that no one is left behind in Regent. At Regent Secondary School, we provide countless opportunities for you to discover your strengths, grow your leadership potential, and make a positive impact.
So, what are you waiting for?
Join us at Regent Secondary School, where your journey of growth,
Friendship, and excellence begin.